Welcome to the easiest dessert on planet Earth. And when I say easy, I mean if your brain is currently running on its last surviving brain cell, you can still make this. First, melt your dark chocolate over hot water. Just don't let any water sneak into the chocolate unless you make a chocolate brick instead of dessert. Your biscuits can be any flavor you like. Mine are coffee flavored, leftovers from my last video. There were definitely easier ways to crush these biscuits. No idea why I chose this one today. Now whip the cream until it's thick and loses that shiny look. Let the chocolate cool down a little before mixing it in. Otherwise, you'll end up with chocolate soup, which surprisingly is not today's recipe. This little trick gets every last drop of chocolate because we don't waste chocolate in this house. Don't overmix it from here. Switch to a spatula and let it do the heavy lifting. I decorated mine with banana and strawberry. I'm pretty sure this strawberry is older than my entire family tree. And yes, an entire banana sacrificed itself for that tiny decoration. A true hero. Layer everything just like in the video. This recipe made exactly enough to fill this cup. I got lucky. Enjoy! For something this ridiculously simple, it's honestly light, creamy, and dangerously good. I ate the whole thing while filming. And here's one final fancy look. See you in the next video. Bye.